How to use Pinterest to promote your business in 2023. So a complete beginner's guide. So if this video have helped you, please consider subscribing to this channel as well as turn that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads in this channel. So if you want to have your business promoted or to have more reach to people or to your target market, well, this is a video for you. So stay tuned, take notes, and enjoy the video. So without further ado, let us start this video guide. So let us understand that Pinterest is a marketing tool. So many have confused Pinterest as a social media, but Pinterest is not your typical social media since it is like a search site where you can have visual images of your products if you search on it. So just like in Pinterest, as you could see here, so this is an example of a product in Pinterest where you could see it is a chair. If you search chairs, you would see some results relevant to the search. So we can treat Pinterest as a virtual search engine. So it is virtual because it gives you outputs or photos and pictures where you can see your product or products of others, and then you can use it to promote your business. So what you need to do is be very good in putting out relevant information and be creative with your pictures in order for it to be on top of Pinterest so many will notice your products. So the tip number 2 is to focus on your business niche. So when you create a account for your Pinterest that will promote your business, so you must also create a Pinterest account where you focus on something that you know or that is relevant to your business, since this is where you will promote your business and you don't need to chase other things. You only need to focus on the thing that you know and you want to do, and also you need to enjoy what you are doing. So you don't need actually a lot of clients for this. What you need is 1 to 2 clients first, so this will help you in starting and promoting your business as well. So what you need to do is to create pins and boards relevant to your business. So in this way you can garner more attention and garner more traffic to your business that you are promoting in Pinterest. So moving on to our next tip is effective pin design. So there are actually different pin designs in Pinterest if you do not know, and all of these have different characteristics and effects. So we have examples like image pins, video pins, rich pins, collection pins, and product pins. So in this video I would like to tell you guys that I don't want you to waste time in creating pins that are irrelevant and not created enough for your business type or for your business promotion, since there are pins that are not just suitable for your business. So for example, in image pins, it has a lot of things such as dimensions, design, and quality for it to be considered as an image pin or as a video pin or as an idea pin. So there are a lot of things to consider, but I would like to show you a few tips for you to choose your pins. So I have here 3 lists of pins. These are the how-to pins, the list pins, and the idea pins. So if you are just starting your business in Pinterest or your business promotion in Pinterest, I would like you to focus on these 3 things. So let us talk about each of these pins. So for example, in how-to pins, so these are regular images that lead your new people or new customers to your blog post. For example, it is an image of how to make a bouquet of flowers. So if they chose to click on that picture, they will be redirected to your blog where they can see your digital products on a course about creating a bouquet of flower. So next one is the list pin. In the list pin, there is a regular image as well, where you can see a list of ideas or a list of instructions for your online blog or your online course. So this is as well the same for how to pins, where you share your knowledge and you also offer your digital products to your customers by giving them a idea of what your courses or digital products are all about. So moving on to the last pin that I am going to show you or to talk about, so that is the ideal pins. So ideal pins are actually video pins, or you can compare these pins to reels, where it is more engaging and more interactive to the people or to your target audience. Since it is a video, then I guess it is more interesting and more eye-catching than the other pins. So according to Pinterest, this is the pin that drives or gives more traffic to your business if you want to promote it on Pinterest. So you can also use this three pin ideas or three types of pins when you are especially in the field of buying or selling digital products such as courses and modules. So that is why you must focus on these three pins in order for you to not waste more time, and in order for you to be creative, and in order for you to have more traffic and engagement in promoting in your business. Alright, so let us move on to the next tip, is that is for Pinterest SEO. So in Pinterest SEO, this is where you basically try to optimize your account and you try to tweak some settings for your Pinterest promotions to be rank high. So you are actually or basically changing the algorithm, or you are being with the algorithm, so you would have a high ranking on the search list or search results. So if you are high in the search results, so this would basically mean that you have high chance of high traffic coming into your account, and so this would create a result of good promotion for your products. So you can do this by these three steps. You can identify niche keywords, use keywords on Pinterest, and create new content all the time. So you must identify the niche keywords that are relevant to your business. For example, you are searching or you are promoting for some sports apparel, so you can just look for or research for keywords such as sports, apparels, basketball, football, and things like that, all things that are relevant. And you can also use keywords on Pinterest. So if you use the keywords on Pinterest, so you must also use it on your account, on your board description, on your board title, and also on your pin descriptions. So in this way, the algorithm would know what your pins are all about, and this would let the searches find your content and give you high ranking on these search results. And also, by talking about content, you must also have new content all the time. So with this, you can also ask for ideas about experienced people or do some research, and you can also rely on your creativity on creating these new ideas every time, so you would have new and engaging content for your promotion of business. So that's it for this guide, and I hope you have a successful promotion journey on your Pinterest. Thank you for watching.